A very happy Teachers' Day to our respected teachers. Greetings for my lovely friends and my juniors too. I am Juhi Das, a student of 6th semester, Department of Philosophy, Handy Girls College. With the coming of 2020, we have experienced a lot of different things, especially the effects of COVID-19 of course. COVID-19 has brought changes in our life which we never have thought or experienced before. Be it social distancing from our own family, to students not being able to attend their schools and colleges for months, it has been tough for everyone. And to cope up with that, we have to come up with different things such as Google Meets or Zoom meetings, etc. because we have to keep ourselves busy. And similarly, on this very special day, special or I must say auspicious occasion, which is 5th September. Now we all know the significance of 5th September as a student. It is celebrated as Teachers' Day of course, but it is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose immense contribution to his field of work made his birthday to be declared as Teachers' Day to respect the teachers for their contributions they have made in our lives, that is, the students' life, and shape us. This is an honor to make this video for our lovely teachers. For every teacher who walked in, for every teacher who taught me, they have inspired and influenced me in different way, and I'm sure it's the same for every student out there. This is our humble approach in making a small video, and I hope everyone forgives us for the mistakes that we have made. Happy Teachers' Day once again to the wonderful teachers out there. I would request Shavasti to take it from here.
Thank you, Juhiba, for your kind words. A good teacher is like a candle who lights itself to light the way of others. A teacher encourages hearts to love, minds to think, and hands to create. So here I would like to start the first segment, which consists of the biography of Radhakrishnan by Parishmita Patwari and contribution of Radhakrishnan by Karishma Deka, a tribute to Saroju Das Ma'am by Rimi Kolit.
Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher, an academic, and a statesman who served as the Vice President and President of India as well. He was born on 5th September 1888 in Tiruttani. His father's name was Sarvepalli Viraswamy and his mother's name was Sarvepalli Sita. He has been awarded with various scholarships throughout his academic life. Sarvepalli studied philosophy by chance rather than by choice. He wrote his thesis for the MA degree on the ethics of Vedanta and its metaphysical presuppositions. In April 1909, he was appointed by the Department of Philosophy. By that time, he had written many articles for journals of repute like The Quest, Journal of Philosophy, and the International Journal of Ethics. His first book was The Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore, and his second book was The Reign of Religion in Contemporary Philosophy. Sarvepalli has been awarded with various prizes like the Bharat Ratna, the Templeton, etc. When Sarvepalli became the President of India, some of his friends and students requested him to allow to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. Sarvepalli says that instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be his privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. Sarvepalli died on 17 April 1975 at Chennai. Thank you.
Contribution of Radhakrishnan on philosophical ground. Radhakrishnan's decision to study philosophy was a bit of an accident. One of his cousins, who was a student at MCC, gifted him 3 old books: Stout's Psychology, Welton's Logic, and Mackenzie's Ethics, which made up his mind for him. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan represents a synthetic approach to philosophy, religion and spirituality. His life is a remarkable journey from poverty to the presidency of India. His ascendancy from this humble beginnings was animated by his powerful intellect and scholarship. Radhakrishnan has the rare qualification of being well versed in the great traditions of both the East and West, but his fundamental convictions are deeply rooted in Indian tradition. The root notions of his own philosophy are generally taken from ancient Indian philosophy, particularly from the Vedantic tradition. But he has a knack of presenting such ideas into idioms and moderns of Western thought. He seems to be presenting old and traditional ideas in a refreshingly novel manner. Radhakrishnan makes persistent efforts to bring about an East-West synthesis. His basic philosophical position is of a kind of a synthesis of Advaita Vedanta and the philosophy of absolute idealism. He takes up the monistic character of the Vedantic reality and combines it with some of the important aspects of absolute idealism. Like Vedanta, he believes that reality is one. Like absolute idealism, he shows that everything is a necessary aspect of the one. Consequently, one finds it difficult to reduce his philosophy to any of the current metaphysical models. It can be broadly described as a philosophy of monistic idealism. It is monistic because reality is conceived as one, and it can be called idealism for reasons more than one. His idealism is of course metaphysical, but metaphysical idealism may be idealism or idealism. The former means that reality is of the nature of an idea that is mental or spiritual. Radhakrishnan also conceives reality as spiritual, and therefore he is an idealist. To Sarvapalli, Advaita Vedanta was the best representative of Hinduism, as being grounded in intuition in contrast to the intellectually mediated interpretations of other religions. He objected against charge of quietism and world denial, instead stressing the need and ethic of social service, giving a modern interpretation of classical terms as Tat Tadvam Assi. According to Sarvapalli, Vedanta offers the most direct intuitive experience and inner realization, which makes it the highest form of religion. He says, the Vedanta is not a religion, but religion itself in its most universal and deepest significance. Intuition and religious experience. Intuition, synonymously called religious experience, has a central place in Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan philosophy as a source of knowledge which is not meditated by conscious thought. His specific interest in experience can be tracked back to the works of William James, Francis Herbert Bradley, Henry Bergson, and Frederick von Hugel, and to Vivekananda, who had a strong influence on Sarvapalli's thought. According to Sarvapalli, intuition is of a self-certifying character, Svadha Siddha, self-evidencing, Smama Svedya, and self-luminous, Syavam Prakasa. In his book, An Idealist View of Life, he made a powerful case for the importance of intuitive thinking as opposed to purely intellectual forms of thought. According to Sarvapalli, intuition plays a very specific role in all kinds of experience. Sarvapalli discerns 5 sorts of experience: cognitive experience, psychic experience, aesthetic experience, ethical experience, religious experience. Classification of religions. For Sarvapalli, theology and creeds are intellectual formulations and symbols of religious experience or religious intuitions. Sarvapalli qualified the variety of religions hierarchically according to their apprehension of religious experience, giving Advaita Vedanta the highest place, the worshippers of the Absolute, the worshippers of the personal God, the worshippers of the incarnations like Rama, Krishna, Buddha, those who worship ancestors, deities and sages, and to all the worshippers of the petty forces and spirits. Sarvapalli saw Hinduism as a scientific religion based on facts apprehended via intuition or religious experience. According to Sarvapalli, if philosophy of religion is to become scientific, it must become empirical and found itself on religious experience. He saw this empiricism exemplified in the Vedas. So this is the contribution that Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan made in his philosophical ground. Thank you.
Dr. Saraju Das joined as a lecturer in philosophy in 1962. She became the head of the department and the principal in charge of the college. During her tenure as a teacher, she undertook the responsibility of warden of Old Hostel for many years. She is one of the illustrious writers of so many books in both Assamese and English language in philosophy. For the improvement of departmental library, she donated a number of books to the department after her retirement. She was actively associated with the department and college till 2020. She retired from her service on 31st March 1994. She breathed her last on 20th March 2020. ডক্টৰ সৰজু দাসে 1962 চনত সন্দিকৈ কলেজত শিক্ষকতাৰ জীৱন আৰম্ভ কৰিছিল। দৰ্শন বিভাগৰ মুৰব্বী হোৱাৰ উপৰিও তেখেতে সন্দিকৈ কলেজৰ ভাৰপ্ৰাপ্ত অধ্যক্ষা ৰূপে দায়িত্ব পালন কৰিছিল। এগৰাকী সফল শিক্ষক ৰূপে ছাত্ৰীক শিক্ষাদান আগবঢ়োৱাৰ লগতে তেখেতে সন্দিকৈ কলেজৰ পুৰণি ছাত্ৰী আৱাসিকৰ তত্ত্বাৱধায়ক হৈ ভালেমান দিন সেৱা আগবঢ়াইছিল। অসমীয়া আৰু ইংৰাজী দুয়োটা ভাষাতে তেখেতে প্ৰণয়ন কৰা দৰ্শনৰ গ্ৰন্থসমূহ অসমৰ দৰ্শন শিক্ষাৰ জগতখনৰ কাৰণে অমূল্য সম্পদ। তেখেতে ৰচনা কৰা গ্ৰন্থসমূহৰ ভিতৰত শিশু ৰামকৃষ্ণ, বিবেকানন্দ চিত্ৰকথা, তৰ্কবিদ্যা আৰু দৰ্শন প্ৰৱেশিকা আদি উল্লেখনীয়। সন্দিকৈ কলেজৰ দৰ্শন বিভাগৰ পুথিভঁৰালটোৰ উন্নতিৰ অৰ্থে অৱসৰৰ পিছত তেখেতে বহুতো বহুমূলীয়া গ্ৰন্থ দান দিছিল। অৱসৰৰ পিছতো 2020 চনৰ 20 মাৰ্চৰ তেখেতৰ মৃত্যুৰ দিনলৈকে সৰজু দাস বাইদেউ দৰ্শন বিভাগ আৰু কলেজখনৰ সৈতে ওতঃপ্ৰোতভাৱে জড়িত হৈ আছিল। বাইদেউৰ মৃত্যুত বিভাগটোৱে তথা সন্দিকৈ কলেজখনে এগৰাকী অভিভাৱকক যেন চিৰদিনলৈ হেৰুৱালে।
The second segment consists of The Art and Craft by Kalyani Borgohain, Mahashweta Parashar, Dimpy Das, Shreya Saha, and Udisi Borgohain. This will be followed by Classical Dance by Loni Das, Classical Singing by Jyotisha Rani Das, Gauri Rajkhwa, Tanisha Islam, and at last, we will have poem recitation by Abhilekh Sharma.
Proudly the candle burns, and the mighty light spreads on. To the seekers of the future, a new destiny builds on. You, my teacher, the one who dispels my darkness, teach me, O great soul, the hard lesson that is life. It's the faith in you that will make me worthy of everything that I strive.
নমস্কাৰ, মোৰ নাম গৌৰী ৰাজখোৱা আৰু আজি শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ উপলক্ষে মই এটি গীত গাবলৈ লৈছোঁ আৰু আমাৰ মৰমৰ শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰীসকলক মোৰ তৰফৰ পৰা বহুত বহুত শুভকামনা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। বৰষুণে তিয়াই বতাহে বাই ৰঞ্জুন ভাৱনাত বুৰ গৈ নিজকে হেৰুৱাও তুমি কাষতে আহি ৰোৱা যেন লাগে বুকুৰে কোণতে লৰালিৰ আবেলি ঢৌ তুলি গুচি যাওঁ আজি সঘনে দুবৰিতে নিয়ৰৰে মুকুতা জিলিকে হিম চেঁচা বতাহ জাকে মুকুৰুৱাই নিলে ধন্যবাদ।
নমস্কাৰ, মোৰ নাম তানিশা ইছলাম। শিক্ষক দিৱস উপলক্ষে মই আপোনালোকৰ আগত এটি গীত পৰিৱেশন কৰিবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ। জানে ক্যা বাত হে, জানে ক্যা বাত হে, জানে ক্যা बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है, सारी सारी रात मुझे इसने जगाया, सारी सारी रात मुझे इसने जगाया, जैसे कोई सपना, जैसे कोई साया, कोई नहीं लगता है जैसे मेरे पास है, कोई नहीं लगता है जैसे मेरे पास है, जाने क्या बात है, जाने क्या बात है, नींद नहीं आती, बड़ी लंबी रात है। ধন্যবাদ।
নমস্কাৰ, মই জ্যোতিষা নিদাস। আজি শিক্ষক দিৱসৰে পবিত্ৰ দিনটোত আমাৰ সন্দিকৈ মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ প্ৰতিগৰাকী শিক্ষাগুৰুক মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ আন্তৰিক শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। ইয়াৰ লগত সংগতি ৰাখি আমাৰ সকলোৰে শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ অৰ্চনা মহন্ত বাইদেউৰ এটি গীত গাবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ। কিবা ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি হ'লে ক্ষমা কৰি দিয়া যেন। কিমান নাও যে ঘাটত লাগিল গধূলিৰ আগে আগে, ইমান পৰেও আহি নাপালাহি আৰু নাহিবাই চাগে, কিমান নাও যে ঘাটত লাগিল গধূলিৰ আগে আগে, ইমান পৰেও আহি নাপালাহি আৰু নাহিবাই চাগে, কিমান নাও যে ঘাটত লাগিল, কলীয়া ডাৱৰে আকাশ থাকিছে মেঘৰ গাজনিখন, ৰৈ ৰৈ ৰঙা বিজুলী মাৰিছে ছাতি ফুটি কৰে মন, কলীয়া ডাৱৰে আকাশ থাকিছে মেঘৰ গাজনিখন, ৰৈ ৰৈ ৰঙা বিজুলী মাৰিছে ছাতি ফুটি কৰে মন, আপোন সকলো গ'ল লগে ভাগে, আপোন সকলো গ'ল লগে ভাগে, মোকো যে তোমাক লাগে,
গধূলিৰ আগে আগে কিমান নাও যে ঘাটত লাগিল গধূলিৰ আগে আগে ইমান পৰেও আহি নাপালাহি আৰু নাহিবাই চাগে কিমান নাও যে ঘাটত লাগিল পল পলকৈ ওচৰ চাপিছে ৰাতিৰ আন্ধাৰবোৰ ৰৈ ৰৈ ঘনে জিকাৰি উঠিছে অবুজন মন মোৰ পল পলকৈ ওচৰ চাপিছে ৰাতিৰ আন্ধাৰবোৰ ৰৈ ৰৈ ঘনে জিকাৰি উঠিছে অবুজন মন মোৰ জানো বা তোমাৰ আজি কিবা হয় জানো বা তোমাৰ আজি কিবা হয় মোৰো বা সপোন ভাগে গধূলিৰ আগে আগে কিমান নাও যে ঘাটত লাগিল গধূলিৰ আগে আগে ইমান পৰেও আহি নাপালাহি আৰু নাহিবাই চাগে কিমান নাও যে ঘাটত লাগিল
আজি দেখোন নাচনি কিবা মৰম লাগিছে বিহু তলি দেখা পাই জোকামটো কাম লাগিছে আজি দেখোন নাচনি কিবা মৰম লাগিছে বিহু তলি দেখা পাই জোকামটো কাম লাগিছে ঐ কাণতে কেৰুমণি ডিঙিতে তোনে বিৰি নোজোকাইনো কেনেকৈ থাকিম তোমাক নাচনি নোজোকাইনো কেনেকৈ থাকিম তোমাক নাচনি
আৰু এই সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান অধিৱেশনৰ পিছত পঞ্চম আৰু ষষ্ঠ ষান্মাসিকৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে তেওঁলোকৰ 2-3 বছৰৰ অন্তত হোৱা অভিজ্ঞতা সম্পৰ্কে কিছু বক্তৃতা আগবঢ়াব এই ক্ষেত্ৰত পঞ্চম ষান্মাসিকৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল হৈছে কৰিশ্মা দাস আৰু শ্ৰেয়া সাহা আৰু ষষ্ঠ ষান্মাসিকৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল হৈছে গায়ত্ৰী বৰুৱা অনিন্দিতা ৰয় আৰু জুহি দাস
নমস্কাৰ মই গায়ত্ৰী বৰুৱা আজি এই বিশেষ দিনটোত মই মোৰ শিক্ষাগুৰুসকললৈ শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাইছোঁ লগতে মোৰ বান্ধৱী আৰু ভণ্টিসকললৈ মৰম জনালোঁ আজি 5 ছেপ্টেম্বৰ এই বিশেষ দিনটোতে বিশ্ব দাৰ্শনিক ৰূপে পৰিচিত ডক্টৰ সৰ্বপল্লী ৰাধাকৃষ্ণৰ জন্ম হৈছিল এই দিনটোত শিক্ষক দিৱস হিচাপে পালন কৰি সমগ্ৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষত পৰম্পৰাৰূপে পৰিগণিত হৈছে। ডক্টৰ সৰ্বপল্লী ৰাধাকৃষ্ণ যেতিয়া উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি হিচাপে নিৰ্বাচিত হয় তেতিয়া তেওঁৰ জন্মদিন হিচাপে পালন কৰিবলৈ এজন ছাত্ৰই অনুমতি বিচাৰিছিল। তেতিয়া এই মহান গুণৰ অধিকাৰীয়ে কৈছিল, মই মোৰ জন্মদিন হিচাপে পালন কৰিবলৈ এটা মোৰ বাবে গৌৰৱৰ বিষয়, কিন্তু এই দিনটোত যদি শিক্ষক দিৱস হিচাপে পালন কৰা হয় তাৰ বাবে মই অধিক আনন্দিত হওঁ। তেতিয়াই শিক্ষকক দেশৰ শ্ৰেষ্ঠ বুলি অভিহিত কৰি টিচাৰ্ছ শুড বি বেষ্ট মাইণ্ড ইন দ্য কাণ্ট্ৰি। 1962 চনৰ 5 ছেপ্টেম্বৰ দিনৰে পৰা প্ৰতি বছৰে সমগ্ৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ শিক্ষক দিৱস হিচাপে পালন কৰি অহা হৈছে। গতিকে শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ উপলক্ষে মই মোৰ শিক্ষাগুৰুসকলক শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ শুভেচ্ছা জনালোঁ। আৰু যিহেতু শিক্ষকসকল হৈছে সমাজ জীৱনৰ মেৰুদণ্ডস্বৰূপ, তেওঁলোকৰ আপ্ৰাণ চেষ্টাত আজি আমি সুব্যক্তি হিচাপে পৰিচালিত হ'বলৈ সক্ষম হৈছোঁ। মই এই মহাবিদ্যালয়ত পঢ়িবলৈ এটা সপোন আছিল। অকল মোৰে নহয়, বহুতো ছোৱালীৰ থাকে এটা সপোন এনেধৰণৰ এখন মহাবিদ্যালয়ত পঢ়িবলৈ। আৰু যেতিয়া মই প্ৰথমে কলেজখনত ভৰি দিছিলোঁ তেতিয়া চাৰিবেৰৰ লগত চিনাকি হ'বলৈ বহুত সময় লাগিছিল। আৰু যেতিয়া চিনাকি হ'লোঁ তেতিয়া মোৰ কলেজীয়া জীৱনেই শেষ হ'ব হৈ গ'ল। 3টা বছৰ যি অনুভৱ সেয়া কেতিয়াও ভাষা আৰু কথাৰে কেতিয়াও বুজাব নোৱাৰোঁ। কলেজখনৰ আৰু ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ হৈ যি মোৰ অনুভৱ সেয়া মই ক'বলৈ পাই আজি খুবেই আনন্দিত হৈছোঁ। ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট ফ্ৰেছাৰ্ছ, কালচাৰেল ৰেলী, ৱাল মেগাজিন, যিমানবিলাক মোৰ মধুৰ স্মৃতি আছে সেইবিলাক সদায় স্মৰণীয় হৈ থাকিব। ভবা নাছিলোঁ কেতিয়াও যে এনেধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ জৰিয়তে আমি আজিৰ দিনটোত পালন কৰিবলৈ পাম। যিয়ে নহওক কিয় ভিডিঅ'ৰ জৰিয়তে হ'লেও আজি আমি এই দিনটো পালন কৰিবলৈ পাইছোঁ, তাৰ বাবে সৌভাগ্যৱান। আমি সদায় শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ এই পবিত্ৰ ক্ষণত পুথিগত শিক্ষাৰ লগতে মোক মানুহ হিচাপে নৈতিকতাৰে সাহস প্ৰদান কৰাৰ প্ৰতিজন শিক্ষাগুৰুলৈ মোৰ শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাইছোঁ। লগতে সকলোকে যাতে ভগৱানে কুশলে ৰাখে তাৰে কামনা কৰি আৰু মই সামৰণি মাৰিছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September, the birthday of India's second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and favorite teacher of his students. One day his students came and seek his permission to celebrate his birthday. Instead of celebrating his birthday, he suggested students celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day in respect of all teachers. Since then, September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day in India. Last but not the least, I would like to mention one quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, in which he says, "The purpose of education is to make good human being with skill and expertise. Enlightened human being and can be created by teachers. I am glad that I have many." Thank you, everyone.
It is not always important to be book smart. We have to learn what's in our books, of course, but apart from that, we need to have other knowledge as well. We need to be a good citizen of our own place, of our own country, and 1,000 other general knowledges which our teachers provides us, and it's only because of them today I can proudly talk with people and give them knowledge too. Philosophy পঢ়িলে পাগল হয়, philosophy পঢ়াবোৰ পাগল. This is what I have been listening from the time when I took on this major. But now I know that philosophy as a subject is so vast and so good, and it's so vast that even I do not deserve to even talk about it. So that changed my perception totally. Since I did not have philosophy in my HS years, I hesitated to be a part or take this subject as my major. But in a literal sense, in a very true sense, philosophy, which is love for wisdom, love of wisdom, my teachers made me believe that in my real life too. Thank you, teachers, for making me who I am today. Thank you, teachers, for making me curious and giving me that qualities so that I can question everything and anything around me. This confidence was only brought on me by my teachers, and I owe this to all the amazing teachers that touched my heart, influenced me, and inspired me to become a better person each day. Thank you, teachers. We wish we could have spent this day with you, but Corona did not allow us so. I had a whole speech planned for our farewell, which also did not happen. But so through this video, I tried to sum up everything, every feeling of my five semesters and 3 years of my college life, since we are at the last semester now. I tried to sum up, and I hope I was able to. Thank you, teachers, so much. Thank you, and happy Teachers' Day once again. We owe you everything and every single thing, at least I own.
Hello everyone, to all my respected teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends who have gathered online here to celebrate this special occasion, the Teachers' Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about a few of our experience which we have witnessed so far from 2018 about our teachers, the sacrifice that our teachers have made so far. Although a wish or a greed can make a teacher happy, but we tried something different to make the day memorable with our own experience. I would rather call a tiny tribute to all the much bigger and larger efforts made by our teachers. Journey in the college would have been harder and nearly impossible without your support. Thank you, dear teachers. It is because of you, dear teachers, that we are able to have the skills that we do today. No token of appreciation can ever be enough to thank you for what you all have done for us. Time spent with each one of us is nothing short of memorable, and we will forever be grateful for shaping our personalities and making us better human beings. Thank you, dear teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for everything. So here I am to share my experiences. So first of all, I would like to speak about Meenakshi ma'am. Ma'am, when I joined the college, I absolutely had no idea about philosophy. Although my subject is philosophy, I had no idea. So I went to her. I asked her, ma'am, will I be able to do philosophy? Because I had a lot of doubt inside me whether I'll be able to continue the subject or not. But she just motivated me a lot. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you so much. Her kind words inspire me till date. Like, she told me, yes, you will be able to do this and you can do this. So her trust she showed upon me constantly motivates me to do much more better. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I would like to speak about Madhuchanda ma'am. She inspires us. She really inspires us to do more, to achieve more. With all her life experiences that she shares in our classes, she actually teaches us how to connect life to philosophy. Thank you, ma'am. She inspires us also to take part in all cultural activities, and she has been a constant source of inspiration, I would say. Like, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I would also like to speak about Mary ma'am. I personally had an experience that she was on a leave last year due to some reasons, but she didn't stop helping us. Like, whenever we used to call her or ask for help in our studies, she is ready anytime to help us. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for that. Now I would like to speak about Mona Lisa, ma'am. Last year we had a chapter called Buddhism. So Buddhism talks about the Four Noble Truths. The first is there is suffering. There is a cause of suffering. Suffering can be ended, and there is a path to liberation. So Buddhism went inside my head so well. So we get to know the motto of life. There will be problems, there will be suffering, but we need to come out of all that. We have learned these things from you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for all that. Now I would like to speak about Rimki, ma'am. In a very short time, she became so friendly to us, like a very good teacher to us. Thank you, ma'am, for all your efforts, all your sayings. She has inspired us. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
এইবাৰ আমি অনুষ্ঠানৰ শেষ পৰ্যায়ত উপনীত হৈছো আৰু এই শেষ পৰ্যায়ত মই পোনপ্ৰথমতে এটা কথাই ক'ব বিচাৰিম বিগত বছৰ কেইটাত আমি যি ধৰণে শিক্ষক দিৱস উদযাপন কৰোঁ ঠিক সেই একে ধৰণে আমি এইবাৰ শিক্ষক দিৱস উদযাপন কৰাত বিফল হৈছো যদিও আমি এক সৰু প্ৰচেষ্টাৰে শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলক শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছো আশা কৰো শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলে এই চেষ্টাক আদৰি ল'ব লগতে অনুপ্ৰাণিত হ'ব আৰু লগতে আমাৰ যদি কিবা ভুল ত্ৰুটিও হৈছে তেনেহলে শিক্ষাৰ্থীসকলে যাতে আমাক আঙুলিয়াই দিয়ে আৰু লগতে মোৰ অতিকৈ মৰমৰ ভণ্টিসকল লগতে মোৰ অতিকৈ শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ মোৰ সন্মানীয় বাসকল তেওঁলোকে নিজৰ বহুমূলীয়া সময়খিনি উলিয়াই যি সহায় সহযোগিতা আগবঢ়াইছে তাৰ বাবে অশেষ ধন্যবাদ আগলৈকেও যাতে এনে ধৰণে সহায় সহযোগিতা আগবঢ়াই থাকে তাৰ বাবে কামনা কৰিলো আৰু লগতে এতিয়া শেষ পৰ্যায়ত তিনিগৰাকীকৈ ছাত্ৰীয়ে নিজৰ বক্তৃতা আগবঢ়াব আৰু সেইকেইগৰাকী ছাত্ৰীৰ নাম হৈছে ৰিম্পী কলিতা পাৰবিন সুলতানা আৰু তৃষা তালুকদাৰ ধন্যবাদ
মেম আৰু শেষত মই এইখিনিয়ে ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ আমাৰ বিভাগৰ সকলো শিক্ষককে শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন কৰিলোঁ আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ শ্ৰদ্ধা আৰু ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিলোঁ তেওঁলোকৰ মাৰ্গদৰ্শনে আমাক ভৱিষ্যতে এজন ভাল মানুহ আৰু ভাল নাগৰিক হোৱাত সহায় কৰিব ধন্যবাদ
নমস্কাৰ পোনপ্ৰথমে মই মোৰ শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ শিক্ষাগুৰুসকললৈ প্ৰণাম যাচিছোঁ আজি 5 ছেপ্টেম্বৰ আজি আমাৰ সকলোৰে শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ আদৰ্শস্বৰূপ ভাৰতৰত্ন এগৰাকী বিশিষ্ট শিক্ষাবিদ সুসাহিত্যিক সুবক্তা সুদক্ষ ৰাজনীতিবিদ তথা বিশ্ববৰেণ্য দাৰ্শনিক ডক্টৰ সৰ্বপল্লী ৰাধাকৃষ্ণনৰ জন্ম হৈছিল আৰু তেখেতৰ জন্মদিনটোতে আমি প্ৰত্যেক বছৰে শিক্ষক দিৱস পালন কৰি আহিছোঁ গতিকে আজি আমাৰ সকলোৰে শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ ডক্টৰ সৰ্বপল্লী ৰাধাকৃষ্ণনৰ জন্মদিনটো তথা পবিত্ৰ শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ শুভ মুহূৰ্তত মই মোৰ শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ গুৰুমণ্ডলীৰ চৰণত সেৱা জনাইছোঁ আৰু পবিত্ৰ শিক্ষক দিৱসৰ অলেখ শুভকামনা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকৰ সুস্বাস্থ্য কামনা কৰিছোঁ আৰু লগতে আপোনালোকলৈ অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ কাৰণ আপোনালোকে নিজৰ জ্ঞানৰ প্ৰকাশেৰে আমাৰ ছাত্ৰ জীৱন প্ৰজ্বলিত কৰি ৰাষ্ট্ৰ নিৰ্মাণৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত অহৰহ যোগদান দি আহিছে আপোনালোকৰ জ্ঞানদান আৰু আশীৰ্বাদৰ ফলত আমি সফলতা লাভ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হওঁ তাৰ বাবে মই আপোনালোকক অশেষ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ
On the behalf of the Philosophy Department of Handicals College, I would like to thank all the students for participating and also to our professors for giving us such a glorious opportunity. I wish all the professors Happy Teachers' Day. I really thanks to all our professors of our college for their hard work and dedication. I'm really glad to be a part of this college. I am glad that we students got such an amazing teaching faculty. Thank you.